Good afternoon, everybody. This is Taylor with Gamma Edge coming at you with a market status for Monday, August 22nd. Here's the general disclaimer. Give this a read when you've done so. Let's move on. Here we have the tick US model. Wednesday, we were talking about a little bit of character change, how we had the cumulative tick lose the short-term moving average ribbon. Thursday and Friday, we said we wanted to see either does this trend continue or do we see a reversal to the upside. So far, series of lower lows being made. Friday, we did lose the short-term red moving average signal. So this is kind of another short-term signal. We lost this. So again, the downside case is becoming more constructive given the weakness we see in the cumulative tick. From here, the bulls, you want to see a reclaim of the moving average ribbon, then a reclaim of the red moving average. This again will get the moving average ribbon trending higher. To the downside, bears, you want to see cumulative tick progress lower. First taking out this cyan longer term moving average, then again the ribbon start to invert. Here with the ARCX model, again, very similar story. Cumulative tick lost the short-term moving average ribbon earlier in the week. This persisted through the end of the week with losing the red moving average ribbon. You'll see here, this signal is now turned off after 25 days of being on. Again, same, we're looking for the same paths for the bulls and bears that we just discussed. Y'all got any more questions? Let us know in the Discord. Here we have the SPY Gamma dashboard for Friday. Let me see, we gapped down below our negative GEX 425, proceeded to trade right around close, 422. So to the downside, looking at 420 here, big liquidity level, ultimately going down to 400. Again, to the upside, 430 is kind of capped right now with our plus GEX. Again, we couldn't see this shift higher later in the week, hence kind of why we thought some weakness could be expected. Again, we did have a large expiration Friday, so it'll be important to check in the Discord Monday morning to see those refresh levels. Here's a 5-minute chart. I was just hitting on, you can see we gapped down below 425. Again, trended lower below VWAP for most of the day. Hit this with SPY, Qs, IWM, so all kind of same story. Lastly, we have the daily chart. Hitting on this real quick. Again, we are kind of running into some key confluence areas to the overhead, top of the trend channel, anchored VWAP. Then if you believe in moving averages, 200-day moving average, we clipped as well. Talking about to the downside, retest to 410, that'd be constructive. The bullish structure would still be intact as it'd be a higher low. So yeah, we're just looking at this gamma and tick conditions. So being the weekend, I wanted to hit on the industry sectors real quick. Here's our fish pond map. You'll see pretty bad week. A lot of deterioration you can see in the week over week declines. You have 10 of 11 sectors declining. Only 2 sectors remain in a positive cumulative gamma, that being tech and healthcare. So just hitting on those real quick. Tech, again, wing chart, see why it's positive. Levels we're looking at, kind of rejected right at positive trend. We have 0 GEX below at 143.5. Then we have plus GEX at 170. So again, if we can see a tick reversal, this may be a good name to go long against either plus GEX or 0 GEX or P-trans with a target up to plus GEX. But again, we do need to see that reversal and tick. Here we have healthcare. Again, wing chart real quick, hitting on that. Then here we have levels sitting right at 0 GEX, plus GEX at 135. So again, not huge upside potential there, but again, just another constructive name at the moment where there aren't as many. Hitting on a couple other important sectors. So we have semis. Again, this flipped from positive to negative cumulative GEX. You can see we closed the session right at negative GEX. So again, want to see kind of how this sector interacts. Here we have biotech. Again, this was you can see this massive run. We've been hitting on this for the last month or so. Plus GEX has been climbing higher and higher, but we flipped to a negative GEX environment. You see we kind of tapped out right at plus GEX. Again, we've rejected, actually trading below 0 GEX now. So again, this name is not as constructive as it was. Lastly, solar. A lot of people are talking about this. It looks constructed from the wing chart, from the price levels, trading right above 0 gex. Right above 0 gex with a target at 95 up above. So again, if we can see a reclaim of the tick in the short term, maybe we get some upside to 95. So again, just another name to have on your radar. So that's all I got for y'all today. Hope you enjoy the rest of your weekend. Again, GammaEdges.us, our website, offering a free 2-week trial. Anyone that wants to try our full suite of tools, risk free. Again, then we have Twitter down here, Gamma Edges with an S. We appreciate y'all considering a like, follow, helps us with the algorithms, reach more people with the content. So, yeah, think y'all know what to watch for this week, and make sure to check Discord for updates. And I'll be talking to you all tomorrow night. All right,